There's a way to sight in scopes where if you have a rest, what you do is you look down your scope and you see where your first shot went. And as you're looking down the scope, you move your turret. So you look down, have your screwdriver ready, you adjust your turret. While you're looking down, this works with a rest. Right now I don't have really good rest, so I'm moving it a little bit, but in a rest it won't move, and you'll literally see the sights in your scope move as you adjust it. And so you can move it over to where your shot landed, and that's a really good way of sighting in scopes. I'm gonna go ahead and try that system even though I don't have a good rest. I've got my truck, so just hold her steady. Screws in. See my impact point? All right. Let's try that out. Dead on. That worked great. Try that out the next time you're sighting in a scope. Let's see if you can see. There's the reticle. So you just, I'm moving this all over the place, but you get the idea. You put that reticle on your target, the center, and then you move it very steadily with the turret. You move that reticle over to where your shot landed, and that's how you can do it. So you'll see the reticle start to move. Can't really simulate it here with a camera, so just try it out. It works really well. Got some shotguns, a couple of buddies, and it's gonna be a great day. I've got tannerite. Oh, that should be fun. Comes open real easy. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Thank you for joining us today. You can get a lot of good stuff from this.